All right, everyone, how you doing today? Today we're going to take a look at a way to make $10 over and over again just testing out websites. In the last one, we'll pay you up to $60 per test, so stick around for that. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog as well. Check those out. Hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos. If you really want to learn how to make serious money online, check out my #1 recommendation. It's the top link in the video description below. There you can get free websites, free training, a large community of very helpful people to help you out, and it's a free membership, so check that out as well. Let's get into this. So the first one here is MIUI.com. Once you sign up, you're going to install like a plugin for your web browser, and you're going to need to talk to your computer, because they're going to record you while you're watching a video here, and you're going to be giving feedback verbally. They don't record your face or anything, it's just verbally and stuff like that, your screen and everything. And then you're going to get $10 per test for these ones. And there's also mobile apps as well, so you can do it on your mobile device there as well. So you're going to want to click on the part where it says get paid to test up here, and then this is how you become a tester, and they are going to pay you with PayPal again. You will be paid $10 for each test that you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. Sign up now and you start get rolling. So these are basically done by demographics too, and so you might not qualify for every single test. Of course, you won't qualify for every single test, but they're going to send you ones you qualify for, and that's why I'm going to mention some other sites here. The best thing to do is just to sign up for all of them, and that way you have a steady flow of different tests coming in. So the next one is userfield.com. It basically works the same way. You can watch the video here and check it out and everything. But they're going to pay you to do research as well. They want people to test out websites and stuff like that, so you can give feedback, and it helps the companies out, build their brand and their websites and everything. User testing is basically what you're doing here. So that's userfield.com. Next one up is YouTestcom, and the same, more of the same. There's different tests here, things like that, and they're going to pay you as well to do these things. So the next one up here is enrollapp.com, and they're going to pay you to test PayPal money, of course, to do different tests on your phone or your tablet, and basically desktop as well. And basically it's more of the same. You're going to be testing out different things, internet apps and stuff like that, and websites and things like that. So the last one up here, this is usertesting.com, and you can earn up to $60 per test with this one. Visit a website or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and get paid. Now you're speaking your thoughts out loud because, like I said, they're recording you, so you're going to need a microphone and everything on your computer if you're doing the desktop with all these apps, or if you're a smartphone, that works fine too. This one you get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. Like I said, websites and apps, complete a set of tasks and speak your thoughts out loud, and that's pretty much it. And like I said, you're going to want to sign up to all these different ones, because that way you get your best chance of getting steady inflow of gigs to do and get paid. And again, this one pays up to $60 per test, so some of them are paying higher, so that is really cool. All right, so there you go, folks. Also, please check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. There you're going to find a free membership, free websites, free training, and that way you can start learning to make really serious money online. And it's like a full-time income if you want a part-time income, passive income. It's up to you how much work and stuff you put into it. It's definitely worth checking out. Please subscribe to the channel. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.